Good morning, students. Today we'll start with lesson number 3, Super 30. This chapter is a motivational story about the life of the great mathematician of India, Anand Kumar. This is a picture of Anand Kumar. He is a great mathematician of India. After reading this chapter, you will learn that how self-belief and determination made this person successful in life. Self-belief means to have trust in oneself, to have self-confidence, and determination means to have strong feeling that you are going to do something and that nothing can stop you. So these are the values that made this person achieve success in his life. And he's such a reputed person that a movie also has been made on him. Inspired by him, a movie with the same name, Super 30, has been made on him, and the role of Anand Kumar is played by Hrithik Roshan. Can you see in this? This is the banner of the movie Super 30, inspired by the life of Anand Kumar and his students. So let's read about this man now. Anand Kumar, a magician, recently appeared in the Kaun Banega Crorepati season 10. So he appeared in the Kaun Banega Crorepati program. So you must be knowing that. So this is Anand Kumar on the set of KBC. And do you know how much he won over there? He won 25 lakh rupees over there. So he loves to do mathematics and is brilliant in his field. Due to his exceptional talent in mathematics, exceptional means extraordinary talent in mathematics, he received a call letter for admission to Cambridge. So Cambridge is the name of the university, which is one of the top universities of the world. So he got a admission in the Cambridge University also, but he was very poor man, but very soon he realized that his father could not afford his fee at Cambridge. So they were not in good financial condition, and his father could not pay his fee at Cambridge. He and his father searched helplessly to find a sponsor, but nobody came up. Sponsor means the one who could provide them the funds or the money. So they searched for someone who could provide them the money, but nobody came up. And one day his family's only breadwinner, his father, demised, and his last hope of getting good education shattered. So what happened was that his father, who was the only breadwinner means the one who supports the family, the only person who was earning the money to support the family, he died. And so Anand Kumar's hopes of getting good education shattered, they were broken. He gave up the dream of Cambridge and returned to his home in Patna, Bihar. He started to work on mathematics during daytime and would sell papas in evenings with his mother, who had started a small business from home to support her family. Soon started tutoring students in maths to earn extra money. So he was selling the paper in the evening, and he also started giving tuitions to the students in maths to earn extra money. He took a room on rent for rupees 500 per month and began his own institute, the Ramanujan School of Mathematics. So he opened his own institution and named it as Ramanujan School of Mathematics. Ramanujan also is a great mathematician of India. So within a space of 1 year, his class grew from 2 students to 36 students, and after 3 years there were almost 500 students enrolled. So initially he started with 2 students, but within a span of 3 years his students he had 500 students in his institution. Then in early 2000, when a poor student came to him seeking coaching for IIT JEE. Now you know what is IIT? IIT stands for Indian Institute of Technology. These are the most reputed uh, institutes in India, and to get admission in these IITs you have to appear for a joint entrance test. JEE means joint entrance test, and which is very hard to crack. So you have to do a lot of hard work in order to get admissions in IITs. So one day what happened, a poor student came to him for coaching for IIT JEE, and he was not able to afford the admission fee due to poverty. So from him, Kumar was motivated to start the Super 30 program in 2003, for which he is now an established name. Established name means a very well recognized name, a well respected name. So when that poor person came to him to get the coaching, because he was very poor, so he asked for the coaching free of cost. From there he got the idea, Anand Kumar, to start the Super 30 program in order to help those students to learn maths who are very poor. Every year in August since 2003, the Ramanujan, it's not Ramayanam, it is Ramanujan School of Mathematics, now a trust, holds a competitive test to select 30 students for the Super 30 scheme. So in 2003, he started the competitive test to select 30 students for his scheme of Super 30. About 4,000 to 5,000 students appear at the test, and eventually he selects 30 to include beggars, hawkers, auto drivers, children, etc. So every year 4,000 to 5,000 students appear, but he only selects 30 out of them, and these 30 students belong to very poor families like beggars, hawkers, auto drivers, etc. He teaches them and provides study materials along with free lodging for a year. Free lodging means free food and place to live. So these Super 30 which he selects, he teaches them and provides them all the things required along with the food and the place to live. He prepares them for the joint entrance examination for IIT. His mother Jayanti Devi cooks food for the students, and his brother Pranav Kumar takes care of the management related activities. So his mother cooks food for all the students who are living over there, the Super 30. Now, Super 30 provides brilliant results every year. So, during 2003 to 2009, 182 students out of 210 have made to the IITs. So, because of his coaching, from within 2003 to 2009, so out of 210 students, 182 students passed this joint entrance examination and got admitted to the reputed IITs of India. In the beginning, Anand Kumar has no financial support for Super 30 from any government or private agencies, but he managed on the tuition fee that he earned from his Ramanujan School of Mathematics. So initially he had no financial support for his Super 30. He was providing free food and lodging to his students, but he was not getting any financial help from any government or private agencies. But how he was managing? He was managing on the tuition fee that he earned from his Ramanujan School of Mathematics. After his growing popularity, he got many offers from the private, both national and international companies, as well as the government for financial help, but he always refused it. So when he became a well reputed name in the country, so he started getting offers of help from India and from outside India also, but he always refused it. He wanted to sustain means to keep it going. He wanted his Super 30 program to keep it going through his own efforts. It is said that you can see in the pictures that foreign nationals are coming to meet him, and he is greeted by even our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. So it is said that Mr. Amitabh Bachchan's role in movie Satyagrah was inspired by him. So, children, when I was going through the net, I was searching on the net, I came to know that it was not the movie Satyagrah, it was the movie Arakshan. Like you can see in the picture, Amitabh Bachchan is saying my role in Arakshan was inspired by Anand Kumar. So Amitabh Bachchan's role in the movie Arakshan was inspired by him. Also, youth icon Hrithik Roshan is coming to as Mr. Anand Kumar in a yet to release movie, but this movie has already been released. So this story was written before the release of the movie, but Super 30 movie already is out. So I will just tell you to go through the movie. Just look at the movie. It's a very good movie. So it's by the name of Super 30, and Hrithik Roshan played the role of Anand Kumar. So this chapter tells us to have self-belief, to have self-confidence, and to be determined in life. So whatever you want to achieve, you can achieve only by having belief in ourselves and by being determined throughout the life.